Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to create the desktop shortcut for the software applications. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you want to create the desktop shortcut for any kind of software applications, so for that what you can do is like you can just go to the search in the Windows and for whichever the software application you want to create the shortcut. Okay, so for example, here you can see the Anaconda Navigator. This is the software application which I have installed on my system for the Python purpose. So if I want to create the shortcut means, so what you can do is like you can just right click on this and here you can go to the open file location. Okay, so here you can go to the open file location and here you can right click on that and go to the show more options. Once you go to the show more options, so here you can see open, scan, shred and all, and here you can see send to. Okay, once you go to this send to, so here you can see the desktop create shortcut. Okay, so let's check the desktop first whether I have the shortcut or not. So here you cannot see anywhere Anaconda prompt. Okay, so now I'm going to create the desktop shortcut for this. Right click, show more options, send to desktop create shortcut. So okay, so I have clicked on the desktop create shortcut and if I minimize, so now you can see the Anaconda Navigator, there is a shortcut for that particular software. Okay, so whenever I want to open that particular software or the application that is Anaconda Navigator, I can directly click on this and I can open that particular software or the application. Okay, so this is how you can create the desktop shortcut for the installed software or the application. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.